This dance is called how count. 32 count 4 walls, and there are 2 tags in this dance. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with the right foot. Walk back 3 steps. Back, 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 step together. Do a rock, recover to the side. Rock, recover, step. And to the left. Rock, recover, step. So section 1. Back, 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 step together. Rock, recover, step. Rock, recover, step. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 2, do a weave to your left with a point. Cross, side, behind, point. Point diagonal, point to the side, and behind, quarter, forward. Section 2, again, weave to the left with a point. Cross, side, behind, point. Diagonal point, side point, behind, quarter, forward. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, do 2 Dorothy steps. Lock, step, lock. Diagonal, lock, step. Forward, touch at the back, do a back coaster. Back together, forward. So, section 3, Dorothy step. Step, lock, step. Step, lock, step. Forward, touch, back, coaster. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section, do a pivot half turn to the left. Step forward and turn. Out, 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 out. Weight on the left, you do a right, left, right flip. Right, left, right flip. Do a left, left, right, left flip. So, section 4 again. Step pivot half turn to the left. Step pivot half turn and out, out. Weight on the left, do a right, left, right flip and left, right, left flip. Section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And you dance from the top all over again. So let me show you the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So in this dance, there are 2 tags. The tag is at wall 9, end of wall 9, and end of wall 11. End of wall 9 will be facing 9 o'clock. So when you end your wall 9 here, there's a tag. The tag is out, out, in, in. I repeat, the tag is out, out, in, in. It's a letter B. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the end of wall 11, there is another tag facing 3 o'clock. So it goes out, out, in, in. With the count, 1, 2,